Have you ever talked to ChatGPT and been like, this chat is amazing. I want to save it. But then, when you try to find that epic conversation later, you realize, there's no way to search your old chats. You're forced to endlessly scroll through tons of previous conversations, trying to find that one amazing thing ChatGPT said. It was so frustrating. So, I created a simple solution, with ChatGPT, to search any conversation. Let's get started. As you may know, ChatGPT currently doesn't provide features to search conversations. So, it's almost impossible to use old conversations, unless you are willing to scroll down and search each one. In this video, I'm going to use Export Data feature to back up our conversations and use it for searching. Let me go to the Data Controls section, under Settings and Beta menu. I am going to click the Export button here. Now, click the Confirm Export button. This will generate a zip file containing all our ChatGPT conversations. This will be emailed to you within few minutes. Here is the email I received from OpenAI. Click on the Download Data Export button to download the zip file. These are the contents of the zip file. We get one HTML file to view all our chats, and 4 JSON files containing our data. Let me extract all the files. This is how the file shows inside the extracted folder. I am going to use the conversations.json file for this experiment. Let me show you what the conversation data looks like. As you can see here, data is compressed, making it difficult to read. So, I am going to ask ChatGPT to analyze it, and find the conversations for me. Open a new conversation, and select Advanced Data Analysis. Now, upload the conversations.json file from the export. Now, I want to find conversations, where I discuss about PDF. Let me add the prompt. Please find conversation IDs, that contain PDF, in titles or messages. Let's run it and see what happens. It's running the Python code interpreter on the file. It seems to be working. ChatGPT has found multiple conversations with the word PDF. All the IDs are listed here, but not in a user-friendly way. Let me modify the prompt to fix it. Keep the previous prompt and add this to the end. Display the titles of selected ones, linking to the ID. Let's run it and see if it works. Only 3 results here. Seems like I have searched for PDF generation, instead of PDF. Now, the title is displayed along with a link. But it says these are only placeholder links. So, we can't actually visit the links. Let me modify the same prompt to fix it. I am changing the search term as PDF. Now, I am asking to generate the link to chat.openai.com/c. I am adding conversation ID as a parameter to the end. So, ChatGPT will replace conversation ID with the actual ID for each item. Let's run this. Now, I'm getting all the conversations for PDF. Seems like titles are linked properly. Let me stop generation to check if the links are working. Now, it loads the correct conversation. Let's use the Find feature of browser to check for word PDF. Seems like PDF is mentioned multiple times in this conversation. So, we have a way to search conversations using code interpreter. Let me open the code to see what's happening behind the scene. The Python code is searching for the exact word in titles and messages of each conversation. I would like to have more flexibility by searching a list of related words. So, I am prompting again as. Can you do that by including my search term plus some other related search terms that contains my search term? Let's see how ChatGPT handles my request. Let me open the code. As you can see, ChatGPT has included multiple related terms such as PDF generation, PDF conversion, PDF upload, PDF text, and so on. When searching for multiple words, this would bring more search results compared to searching single term. This is useful when we don't know the exact phrase. I have some tips to improve this search. First, we can add easily identifiable tags in conversation titles. Let me rename this conversation to start with a tag called some tea. By adding commonly used tags, we can improve the search without needing to remember exact words. Let me run the same prompt again for the tag some tea and see if the search is working. It says there are no conversations with the given keyword. The reason is that we are doing the search on the exported file. So, it's not going to work instantly on new chats or updated chats. We have to export the file again and do the search. Here, I have few conversations, starting with tag IMP. I am using it to mark them as important. Let me see if I can search these. These are already available in the export file. Now, it's listing the conversations with the tag IMP. Adding meaningful tags or categories makes it easier to search. Now, let me add some custom instructions to shorten the prompt. Here, I have added some instructions. Let me explain. Hotkeys means we are using a short key to define a long prompt or process. Next two lines define the display format as command and a prompt, separated by colon. Next, I have used a hotkey called ser_conv. When I use this key, it should execute the prompt we use for searching. Search keyword is passed as a variable. I started to use hotkeys after seeing a tweet from Nick Dobos. Link to his profile in the description. Let me save the instructions first. I am going to refresh the browser. Now, let me run the hotkey and see if it works as expected. First, I'm going to upload the conversations file in a new chat. Let me add the hotkey. Format is hotkey, keyword. Let me run it. Now, it's generating the conversation links for the word PDF. Seems like short key is working perfectly. So, we can easily use this method to search all your ChatGPT conversations. We can also improve the search by adding more rules and restrictions. ChatGPT will write the code for you. Hope this was useful for saving time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more AI-related videos.